Super sleek, super fast, built to last. The AirFLEX SDX draper header from Honeybee is your one-of-a-kind all-flex soybean magnet. Created with soybean growers in mind, the header was designed specifically for soybean crops like yours. Lightweight yet durable, more aerodynamic, a knife drive that's powerful but smooth. Feel how this muscle machine hugs every hill and contour under your crop. Experience shaving the ground at a dizzying 7.5 miles per hour. Pick up more soybeans than ever before. What's the SDX secret? 9 inches of flex motion from one end of the cutter bar to the other for the closest of shaves. Be gentle or be aggressive. The reel is custom built to be fully adjustable. Unlimited finger spacing means you leave no soybeans behind. Air suspension is light, fast reacting, and infinitely adjustable. The draper is all about speed and efficiency, moving the soybeans to the center deck and directly into the feeder house. Take control with real-time system monitoring, made possible by the Automatics control panel. The SDX takes productivity to new lengths, cut all day long and well into the evening. With widths as narrow as 25 feet for tight areas and as wide as 50 feet for more expansive spaces, you can cut to the size that works best for you. Its streamlined, high-performance design and well-thought-out component parts make it easy for you to maintain. There's an SDX for every soybean farmer who wants to get all the crop to the bin at speeds they've never achieved before, and with a return on investment they've only dreamed about. Take this speedster for a test drive. See your local Honeybee dealer or visit harvestfaster.com to find the SDX showroom nearest you.